What? Imagine what? Are you gonna open that, son? Are you Hercules? That's just a little chain. You could do it. You could do it, son. I'm so freaking tired. I freaking went to register, get my grade, got a bad grade. I don't know, but it's the thing is about going to school is that it's preparing my mindset to do better things, you know, to press in and relearn, and it's hard, but the thing is that we all need to brush up sometimes, you know. So that's what I'm doing, keep myself physically doing something, anything every day, and taking a day off. That's good, you know. The next thing is just to try hard to get a better grade. The thing is, my English class is closed, and I can't, because even though the professor posted grades, it says that I failed it. Maybe I didn't say I failed it. It says that I took it once and I can't take it again, but that's not true. So there's a glitch in the computer, and I'll have to do it again. And we're doing it. We're tired. We're eating. And I'm gonna check up all my basic classes and see what are available, because obviously everything from math, English, science, math and English is completely full. And same with the Spanish. It's completely full. I can't even get that just because my registration date is too late. So we're just working on whatever else I can find. I'm gonna have to go and investigate and do some research on which classes I want, whether it be correctional science or child development. Which those classes seem like boring. I took them before, and I'm really not into all that. I have friends that are psychiatrists, a lot of them, psychologists, and they do well. Don't get me wrong, I'm sure they're doing really good in their lives now, but it seems like everybody's done it, so I'm trying to do something else. We'll see. I think I might just do it. We'll see. I might not be part of the team, right? Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.